Sound Innovations number 97. Here we're going to be slurring the triplets, so we'll be using 3 notes in one bow, but we'll get to that in just a second. Let's clap and count it first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, when we are slurring these, we're just going to put them in 3 notes, all in one bow. Try that with me. We're just going to do the first 6 notes, D, E, F sharp, E, D. Do it a couple times. Getting better? Getting easier? I hope so. Okay, here we go. Number 97. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope that you're taking time to practice this in between each video.